Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Today we are here for the discussion of solutions of Matrix Olympiad paper Stage 2 Shift-2 which was held on 10th of November 2024. So we'll start from class 6th and the subject is physics. Let us start our discussion. Question number 1. So choose the correct order with respect to conductivity. We have to check which of the following order is correct. As we know that there are gold, silver, aluminium. So we know that the conductivity of silver is maximum than gold and least for aluminium. So correct answer is option B. Okay. Next question. Question number 2. We have to check which is true and which is false. Every measurement has two parts. Yes, this is a true statement because in measurement the first part is numeric value and the other is unit. Quartz clock are less accurate than pendulum. No, this is a false statement. Quartz clock are more accurate than pendulum clocks. Okay. Discovery of fire made the transport easy. No, there is no relation. So this is also false statement. So for correct code, it will be true, false and false. So option A is our correct answer. Question number 3 is a match the following question. Okay. So let us check. Plane mirror. Okay. So plane mirror always form virtual image, same in size, erect. Okay. And it also shows lateral inversion. That means left becomes in right and right becomes in left in image. So for plane mirror, I will write true. Convex mirror. Convex mirror always form virtual, erect and diminished image. So for Q, I will write 1. Frosted glass. As we can see, frosted glass are translucent object. So for R, I will write 4. Firefly are natural luminous source of light. So for S, I will write 3. Correct code is 2143. So 2143, that means option D is our correct answer. Okay. Next question. Question number 4 and 5 based on a paragraph which is given here. Okay. Some situations are given here on the basis of which question is asked. If we touch a naked current carrying wire, we get shock. This is because our body is, as we know that current flows in a conductor, so we can directly say our body is conductor of electricity. So option A is our correct answer. Next question, number 5, based on same paragraph. Okay, which of the following will conduct electricity? As we know that leather, plastic and eraser are insulators, so they will not conduct electricity. So compared to which safety pin will conduct electricity. So C is our correct answer. Okay, next question. So question number 6 and 7 may have more than one correct answer. So we have to check that. Okay. On Saturday night, Prachi spent 18 minutes on social science homework, 35 minutes on mathematics homework and 22 minutes on English homework. How much time did she spend on her homework? Okay. So total time is equals to 18. The time, all times are given in minutes. 35 plus 22. We know that 22 plus 18 will become 40. 40 plus 35 becomes 75 minutes. Okay. So B option is correct and 75 minutes is equal to 1 hour 15 minutes. This is also true, or you can see here this will be also equal to 1 hour 15 minutes. So A, B, C all three are correct options. Okay. Next question number 7. Here some images are given here. Okay, which diagram shows the path that the light beam follows? Okay, again I am reading this question. A beam of light from a torch is aimed at an arrangement of 4 flat mirrors. Which diagram shows the path that the light beam follows? As we know that these are mirrors. Mirror shows reflection of light, which means angle I equal to angle R. So as we can see here, the light is coming from this torch. So drawing normal, this angle will be equal, so light will follow this path. Then again drawing a normal here, this angle is equal, so this is a correct diagram. Okay, let us check here. Drawing a normal, this angle should be equal, so it seems to be equal. Then this is also, this angle will be equal. Similarly, drawing a normal here, light will go here. Similarly, this is also a correct. Okay. Now see option C. If I will draw a normal here, so light is coming from here, reflected ray is shown by this ray. Okay. When this light fall on this mirror, so now drawing a normal, this is angle I, then light should reflect in this direction, but it is shown in opposite direction. So this is a wrong one. Here we can see light is falling normally, that is angle I is equals to 0. In that case, angle R should be also equal to 0. So light must reflect back. Okay, so this is also incorrect diagram. This is a wrong diagram. So option A and B are our correct answer. So we have discussed all the questions of subject physics. If you have any type of doubt or query regarding Matrix Olympiad, subscribe this YouTube channel. If you have any type of doubt in any question, then press on Ask a Doubt button, which is provided on your MOF profile. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, welcome to all of you on Matrix YouTube channel. Now we will discuss the MOF paper solution for class 6, which was conducted on 10th of November 2024. Let's see the question. So the question is, which of the following statement is or are true or false? First statement is, silver is the poorest conductor of electricity. No, it is completely a false statement. We know that the silver is the good conductor of electricity. It is not the poorest conductor of electricity. So the first statement is false statement. Now next is, fuming stone, unlike regular rock, does not sink in water because it has a low density. Yes, it is completely a true statement. We know that fuming stone, unlike regular rock, does not sink in water. They are float in water because the density of these substances are less than water. So the substance which have the density less than water float on water, and the substances which have the higher density than water, they can sink in water. So this is completely a true statement. Next is, most malleable metal is silver, hence it is used in making jewelry. No, most malleable metal is gold, not the silver. Silver is also used in making the jewelry, but not in this statement. Most malleable metal is silver. The gold is the most malleable metal. So this is completely a false statement. So let's see the option. First is false, second is true, and third is false. False, true, and false. It means B is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is, match the column first with column second and select the correct answer using the codes given below. First is sand and water. We can easily see by this diagram, if sand and water is present in a beaker, then by the sedimentation process, we can easily separate the sand from the water. Okay. Now the next one is husk and grain. Okay, so it is clear from this diagram. Then when the husk and grain is present, so by the winnowing process, we can easily separate the husk from the grain. Okay, next is iron fillings and sand. So if we're talking about the iron fillings and sand, so when we put any magnet in this type of substance, or in this type of the mixture, then the magnet attracts that iron fillings, and iron fillings can easily separated by the sand. So the magnetic separation method is used in this type of the mixture. Okay, and the last one is the clothes and water. So there is a process which is known as the centrifugation process. By the centrifugation process, basically in the washing machines, by the centrifugation process, we can easily separate the water from the clothes. Now let's see the column second. In the column second, there are different techniques are present, and in the column first, there are different mixtures are present. So let's see the sand and water. We know that the sand and water easily separated by the sedimentation and decantation process. Next is the husk and grain. So earlier we talked about that this point. So the husk and grain is separated by the winnowing process. If we're talking about the iron fillings and sand, so the iron fillings and sands are separated by the magnetic separation method. And if you're talking about the clothes and water, so the water is removed from the clothes by the centrifugation process. So let's see the answer. The answer is P match with third, Q match with fourth, R iron filling and sand match with second, and the S match with first. So the answer is 3, 4, 2, 1. So the option C is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is paragraph based question. Let's see the paragraph. The paragraph is, sometimes it may not be possible to separate components of a mixture by winnowing and hand picking. For example, there may be lighter impurities like dust or soil particle in rice or pulses. For these kind of mixtures, we have to use water as a solvent. On adding water, one of the component may or may not be dissolved in the water. Then, depending on this, we can use the sedimentation, decantation, filtration or evaporation methods for separation. So, this is paragraph. Now, let's see the question. So, the question is, the rate of sedimentation is increased by adding. Okay, so the rate of sedimentation is increased by adding the substances which are not soluble in water. Okay, so if we're talking about the options, the option first, copper sulfate. When we add the copper sulfate in water, so it forms the true solution. So this is completely a wrong statement. Second is sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is also form a true solution with water. So it is also a wrong option. Now next is the alum and alum. So it might be the right option. Now the next remaining is, means here the alum is present and to the water, and the process is called, means when we add the alum in the water, that process is known as a loading. Okay, so now let's see the remaining option. In the option D is decantation. No, it is not decantation, it is loading. So the option C is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. In the next question, the paragraph is same, but the question is different. Now let's see the question. The question is, which of the following is or are correct statement? Now let's see the first statement. Iron can be isolated from iron sulfide by using a magnet. If we're talking about the iron sulfide, okay, in the iron sulfide, FeS means it is a chemical compound, means chemical bonds are present between iron and sulfur. So it is not possible to separate by the using the magnetic separation method. Means if the iron fillings are present in the sulfur, so in that condition we can isolate the iron from the sulfur by using the magnetic separation method. So it is incorrect statement. Okay, so now let's see the next statement. Substance that settle down at the bottom of the liquid is called sediment. Yes, it is completely a true statement. It is correct statement. Now the next is salt from the sea water is separated by the evaporation. Yes, this is also a correct statement. When we burn that substance or when we raise the temperature, then the water is evaporate and the salt is remaining down. So this is completely a correct statement. Okay, now let's see the question. In the question, which of the following we have to find the correct statement. So the second and third is the correct statement and first is incorrect statement. Now let's see the option. Only first wrong, only third wrong, first, second and third, only second and fourth. Yes, second and fourth both are correct statement and first is the incorrect statement. So the option B is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. Which of the following statements are incorrect? Okay, now let's the first statement. Wood and plastic sink in water. We know that both wood and plastic are less denser than water. So because of the less density, it can float on water, not sink on water. So it is incorrect statement. Now the next is, it is difficult to compress a sponge as it is a hard material. No, it is also incorrect statement, because in general we know that the sponge is a very soft material and we can easily compress the sponge. So it is incorrect statement. Next is, an iron object gets flattened on hammering. Yes, it is completely a right statement because it is a property of metal and iron is a metal. So it is correct statement. Now the last one is, if most of the light passes through a material, it is said to be translucent. No, if most of the light passes, so that substance is known as a transparent, and if the sum of the light passes, then that substance is known as a translucent. So it is also incorrect statement. Okay, now let's see the question again. In the question, we have to find the statement which are incorrect. So the option A is incorrect, option B is incorrect, and option D is incorrect. So the option A, B and D are the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is, Joya, a class 6th student, grouped a few things together on the basis of the sum common properties as Group number first. In the group number first, plastic bottles, balloon, ice, wooden log. Second is food color, vinegar, lemon juice and chalk powder. Group third is clean water, glass window, lenses and air. Next is metal key, marble, copper coin and iron nail. Next is select the correct answer, select the correct statement regarding these groups. Now let's see the option. Okay. So the first option is all substances listed in group first float on water. Plastic bottles, balloon, ice and wooden log. Yes, this is completely a true statement. We know that the all particles which are placed in the group first are less denser than water. So because of their less density, they can float on water. So the first statement is completely a true statement. Next is all substances listed in group second are soluble in water. If we're talking about the group second, food color is soluble in water, vinegar is soluble in water, lemon juice is soluble in water, but chalk powder is not soluble in water. So the B is wrong statement. Next is all substances listed in group third are transparent. Clean water, glass window, lenses and air. All are transparent. This is also a correct statement. Next is all substances listed. Group fourth is sink in water. Metal key, marble, copper coin and iron nail. Yes, these all have the higher density than water. So it can easily sink in the water. So the option D is also a right option. So the option A, C and D are the right options for this question and B is the wrong option. Thank you. If you have any query, any doubt regarding any question, so there is one more option, ask a doubt, and for more information regarding Matrix Olympiad, you can subscribe our YouTube channel and you can join our WhatsApp channel also. Thank you.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about Matrix Olympiad paper solution for class 6th biology. Let's start. First question. Which joint are primarily involved while performing following action? Following action 1. Bending of forearm, moving arm in circle and turning head from side to side. Which joint involved in these three movements? Let's start. Observe it. First, bending of forearm, that is related to hinge joint. That is related to hinge joint. Next, moving arm in circle. That is related to ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint. So, according to this situation, hinge joint, ball and socket joint and pivot joint. Pivot joint. This one. This is pivot joint. So, according to these movement, option D is correct for this question. Next, which of the following statement true and false? True and false. Excess intake of carbohydrate could lead to various health problem. That is right. Various health problem from excess carbohydrate. Extra carbohydrate get converted into fat and stored in the body. That is right. Protein is found in every cell in the human body, is essential for growth and development and repairing cell. That is right. True, true, true. In option C. Option C, true, true, true is right. Next. Match column first and second. Snail relate to slow movement. Second, and upper jaw immovable. 1. Cockroach relate to has outer skeleton and fly in air, and rib protect heart. So 2, 1, 4, 3 relate to option D. Option D is correct for this question. Next, paragraph based question. Iron is very important food component. It takes part in formation of thyroid hormone secreted by parathyroid of our body. It is trilobed gland located in the neck region, and iron deficiency can lead a malfunction of gland causing hypo or hyperthyroid hormone. This lead to disease like osteomalacia, and food like orange and spinach are recommended to patients suffering from this condition. Select correct option regarding this. Iron. But iron related to blood, hemoglobin. In this paragraph, iron is wrong because iron replaced by iodine. Iodine is correct set for this paragraph. So, select the correct option regarding this. Iron should be replaced by iodine. Option A is correct answer for this question because iodine responsible for tetra-tri-iodo hormones. These are secreted by thyroid gland. Next question is, which mineral deficiency is most commonly associated with anemia? Calcium? No. Calcium not related to anemia because anemia show lack of RBC, lack of hemoglobin, lack of RBC. So our right answer related to RBC is iron. Second, option B is correct. Next question is, which of the following statement correct? Which is correct for 19th question? Vitamin A is very sensitive to heat and easily destroyed during cooking. That is correct. Next, iodine is needed for transmission of messages by the nerve system. No, calcium is related. Fat soluble vitamin are not stored in our body and needed regularly supplied through the food. No. Lactose is a type of sugar found in milk. That is right. Lactose present in milk, lact sugar. So A and D is correct answer for this question. Next question is, identify the test. Identify the test shown in given figure and select the incorrect statement. Incorrect statement. This test can be used to check presence of starch. In this condition, use food sample, caustic soda, copper sulfate, and shaking, then show purple color. And purple color show protein present in food sample. But in this condition, starch, that is wrong. Starch, that is wrong. This test can be used to check presence of sugar, carbohydrate, wrong. This test can be used to check the presence of protein, that is right. And this test can be used to check the presence of fatty acid, that is wrong. In question, incorrect statement A, B, D. A, B, D is incorrect statement for this question. So these are the all biology solution. More update, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello students, welcome to the 2024th edition of Matrix Olympiad. So today I am here to discuss about the MOF paper solution for class 6th stage 2 for math subject. So let's start. So here we have question number 21st, that is, if a number is formed by interchanging the digit 8 tens place and thousands place of 7939, then which of the following is correct? So here we have number that is 7939, and the tens place number that is 1s, tens place number that is 3, and the thousand place number that is 1s, 10s, 100 and 1000 that is 7. If I interchange these numbers, so the new number that is 3979. So here we can say that original number which is greater than the new number. So check which option is correct here. So I can say that here new number is greater than, no, original number is greater than if I compare to new numbers. Here option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is a milkman supplies 34 liter of full cream milk and 54 liter of toned milk every day in Palmviyar. The toned milk cost is 48 per liter and the full cream milk cost is 56 rupees per liter. So how much money the milkman will earn in the month of June? So we know in the month of June we have total number of days, that is 30 days. So we know amount, that is, if I talk first cream milk, that is we have 34 liter and the cost of cream milk, that is we have given 56 rupees per liter. So here we have given 56 rupees per liter, plus we have given toned milk, that is 54 liter, and the cost of toned milk, that is here we have given 48 per liter. So here we have given 48 per liter. So if I simplify here, so I get answer that is 4496 rupees for 1 day. So here we have to find for 30 days. So if I multiply here 4496 multiply by 30, so we get answer that is 134880 rupees. So where is 134880? So 134880. So here option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is Rohanika is organizing a party for 480 people and need disposable glasses and straws. Okay, there are 40 glasses in a pack and 160 straw in a pack. She need exactly the same number of glasses, and what is the minimum number of each pack she must buy? So here if I talk about first the pack of glasses, that is total number of people, here we have 480 and there are 40 glasses are come in a pack. So if I divide here, so that is we get that is 12. So pack of glasses Rohanika needed, that is 12. So now if I talk about pack of straws, number of people, that is we have 480 and in a one pack there are 160 straws. Okay, if I cut here, so 0 to 0 cancel out, 12, 4 4 ja 16, 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 is 12. So here we need 3 pack of straw and 12 pack of glasses, disposable glasses. So 12 pack of glasses and 3 pack of straws. So here option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is find the number of codes in the given circle having center O. So here we have to find the number of codes. So here we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here we have 4 codes. Okay, so where is 4 here? So option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is from Shanti Nivas, Mr. Saxena takes a left turn and walk 87 steps to reach the community hall. Okay, one day by mistake he turned to the right and after walking 35 steps he realized that he is walking in the opposite direction. So how many steps he has to walk back to the reach the community hall? So suppose that this is the Mr. Saxena's house and first he take turn, this is the community hall and he walks 87 steps. So here that is the 87 steps, but one day he walk 35 step, that is the right side. So here he walked 35 step, that is the right side. So question is that how many steps he walked to back to the reach the community road. So if he start from here, so he need total, that is 87 plus 35. If I add here, so 7 plus 3 12, carry 1, 8 1 9 9 and 12, 122 steps. So where is 122? So here, so option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is Vipin, Tushar and Vikas are living in a room on rent. Okay, in a month Tushar decided to pay 1/5 of the total rent, and Vikas decided to pay 2/4 of the total rent. And how much will Vipin pay if the rent of the room is rupees 12,500 per month? So here we have given total rent, that is 12,500. So first, if I talk about Tushar, so I can say that amount paid by Tushar, that is 1/5 of the total rent. So 1/5, it means 1/5 multiply by 12500. So if I divide here, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 2 5 is 15 and 0 0. So here the Tushar pay amount, that is 2500. So now if I talk about Vikas amount, so again amount paid by Vikas, that is 2/4 of the total rent. 2/4, that is 2/4 of the total rent, and here we have total rent, that is 12,500. So 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. So if I cut here, so I get answer that 6 2 is 12, that is rupees 6,250. Now the remaining amount, that is paid by the Vipin. So I can say that Vipin pay, that is total amount. Here we have 12500 minus amount paid by Tushar, that is 2500 minus amount paid by Vikas, that is 6250. So here if I subtract this one, so here I get answer, that is 1250 minus plus, it means 578. So here I get answer, that is 3750 rupees. So where is 3750 here? So I can say that option 1 B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is ABCD is a rectangle. When the length and breadth of a rectangle are increased, then the rectangle gets enlarged to L and cm. So L and cm. If the length of rectangle ABCD is thrice its breadth, then find. So here we have given two conditions and we have to find the two values. That is sum of perimeter of rectangle ABCD. So where is rectangle ABCD? So here we have A, B, C, D. Okay, and we have to find the and SNBA. Where is SNBA? Now we have to find the sum of these two angles perimeter. Okay, so how can we solve it? Simply first we know that this one, that is we have given 45. So if I talk about here, so perimeter of rectangle SNBA. So SNBA, we know that is the 2 bracket length plus breadth. So here we have length, that is 45 centimeters. So 2 bracket 45, and we have breadth, that is 5 centimeter plus 5. So here if I add, so 2 bracket 50, that is total 100 centimeter. That is the perimeter of rectangle SNBA. Now we have to find the perimeter of rectangle ABCD. So perimeter of rectangle A, B, C, D. Again we know 2 bracket length plus breadth. So here we have 2 bracket length, that is 45, and breadth here we have given, that is here we have given thrice its breadth, that is we have given, this one is the 15 according to question, right? So 15 I can write here plus 15, so 2 bracket 60, so here we get, that is 120 centimeter. Now we have to find the sum of, so for sum I can say that 120 plus 100, that is 220 centimeter. That is the sum of the perimeter of rectangle SNBA and ABCD. Now this one is the solution of A. Now here we have to find the solution for B. Area of rectangle LNCM. We know this one is the 45, so here we have again 45. So I can say that the total length, that is we have 50, and the total breadth, that is we have 20. So area, that is we know length multiplied by breadth. So here we have given length, that is 50. So here I write 50 multiplied by breadth, that is we have given 20. So 0, 0, 0, 1, that is 1000 centimeter square. So here we have perimeter, that is 220 centimeter, and we have area, that is 1000 centimeter square. So where is 1000 centimeter square and 220 centimeters? I can say that option B is the correct answer. So here option B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is Sneha has rupees 40x. It means Sneha has rupees, that is 40x. She spent 250 rupees on food. It means that means she spent 250 rupees on food. 75y on clothes. It means again she spent 75y rupees on cloth, and 375 rupees on travel. Now she received, that is 1500 rupees on birthday gift. It means she received 1500 rupees on birthday gift. So how much money is left with her? How much money left with her? So here we have to find out how much money left with her. Okay. So for I can say that here 40x minus 75y. If I add this one, so here I get 5, 7, 5, 12, carry 1, 3, 2, 6 plus 1, 5, 00. So if I solve here, so I can say that rupees Sanya having 40x minus 75y plus 875. So check which option is correct. So 40x minus 75 plus 875. So here option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is the diagram below shows a framed picture. Find the area of the picture. So here we know that the area of picture, that is this one part, and here we have given breadth, that is 10 centimeter, and here we have given length, that is 12 centimeters. So we know area of picture, that is length multiplied by breadth. So here length, that is 12, and breadth, that is 10. So if I multiply here, so I get 120 centimeter square. So where is 120 centimeter square? Here. So option number D is the correct answer over here. So if I talk about next question, that is what is the sum of the additive inverse of minus 100 and the additive inverse of 52. So we know the additive inverse of minus 100, that is 100, and we have additive inverse of 52, that is minus 52, and we have to find their sum. So I put here plus. Okay. Now if I solve here, so I can say that plus minus minus 52. So here we get answer, that is 48. So check which option is correct. So here option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is based on true or false. So which of the following statement is true or false? So here again we have given 3 statements, and we have to find out which one is true and which one is false. So if I talk about statement number 1, that is the largest 5-digit number having 3 different digits is 9987. So I can say this one is true, because here we have 1, 8 and 7. These are the 3 different digits. Now if I talk about second statement, that is a whole number is added to 10. So that is 10 is added to a whole number, and the same number is subtracted from, and the same number is subtracted from. Then the sum of the resulting number is 20. So here we have to find sum. So I can say that 10 plus x plus 10 minus x. So minus x to plus x cut out. So here we get sum that is 20. It means this statement is true. If I talk about third one, that is the whole number are always commutative under addition and multiplication. Yes, this one is also true. So here true, true, true. So check which option is correct. True, true, true. Here option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is which of the following statement is true or false. So here we have given three statements. The statement number 1, that is the area of circle is directly proportional to square of its radius. So we know area of circle that is pi r square, and area is directly proportional to the square of radius. So I can say this one is true. If I talk about second one, the perimeter of a parallelogram is the sum of all its side length. Yes, this one is also true. If I talk about third one, the diagonal of a square is equal to the length of one of its side. No, this one is false. So I can say that this one is false. So true, true, false. So check which option is correct. So here true, true, false. So I can say the option number C is the correct answer over here. So if I talk about next question, that is which of the following statement is true or false. So again we have given three statements and we have to find out which one is true and which one is false. So statement number 1, that is the product of two odd number is always an odd number. So let's assume we have a odd number that is 9 and we have an odd number that is 11. So if I product here, so I get 99. So 99 is again a odd number. So I can say that this one is the true. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. So I can say that this statement is also true. The difference between any two prime number is always even number. So this one is false, because if we take a prime number that is 5 and if we take a prime number 2, if I subtract here, so we get 3 and 3 is the odd number. Okay, so true, true, false. So where is true, true, false? True, true, false. So here option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is which of the following statement is true or false. So here we have given the area of a triangle is always twice the area of a rectangle with same base and height. Yes, this statement is true. A square is a rectangle. Yes, this condition is true. But a rectangle is not necessarily a square. Yes, this one is again also true. A cuboid with all sides equal is called a cylinder. No, this is not called cylinder. This is called cube. So true, true, false. So true, true, false. So here option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is match column 1 and column 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. So here we have given column 1 and here we have given column 2. So first we have to solve column number 1. So P, that is we have given minus 516 plus curly bracket minus 327 bracket close minus bracket minus 925 curly bracket close. So if I simplify here, so I can say that minus 516 plus bracket minus 327 and minus minus, that is plus 925. So here I can say that minus 516 plus, if I subtract here, so I take common here, so 15 minus 7, that is 8, and here we take 11, and here we take 11 minus 2, that is 9, and here 8 minus 2, that is 5. So here I can say that if I subtract here again, then we get 2 and 8, that is 82. So where is 82? It means P is connected to third. So here I can say that P is connected to third. So if I talk about Q, that is minus 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, again minus 3 5 6 3 2. So here we know minus minus again plus. So here I can say that minus 4 5 6 3 2 and minus minus that is plus and 3 5 6 3 2. So if I solve this one, so here I get answer that is minus 10,000. So where is 10,000? So here I can say that Q is connected to 1. So here we can say that Q is connected to 1. So now if I talk out R, that is minus 380 and minus 675 curly bracket close, again minus 865 and here again plus and bracket minus 493 again curly bracket close. So I can say that here minus minus plus. So 5 and 8 or 7 15, carry 1 6 or 3 9 9 or 1 10. So here I get minus 1055 minus curly bracket. So here I can say that 865 plus minus minus 493. Simply if I simplify here, so I get minus 1055 minus again here I get 2 and 16 minus 2 that is 7 and here I get 3. So simply if I simplify here, so I get answer that is minus 1427. So check which option is correct here. So here R is connected to 4. So here R is connected to 4. So if I talk about last one S, that is curly bracket minus 340 and here minus minus we get plus 170 curly bracket close minus again here we get minus 45 and here we get minus 83. If I simplify here, so here I get answer that is minus 170 and here I get minus that is 538 and 4 5 12, so minus 128. So simple minus 170 plus 128. So if I solve here, so I get answer that is minus 42. And where is minus 42? S is connected to 2. So here S is connected to 2. So answer that is we have 3142. So 3142. I can say that option number C is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about next question, that is match column 1 and column 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. Again here we have column 1 and we have column 2 and we have to simplify first column 1. So P, that is we have given perimeter of this figure. We know perimeter, that is the sum of all sides. So here we have 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 9 and 9 plus 3 12 and 12 plus 5 that is 17 centimeter. So P, that is we have given 17 centimeter, that is the perimeter. It means P is connected to 4. So here I write P is connected to 4. If I talk about Q, that is area of this one. So this is the rectangle, so I know area of rectangle. That is length multiplied by breadth. So here length we have given 1.5 meter and breadth, that is we have given 3.5. If I remove decimals, then I put here 10 and 10. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10, 5 2 ja 10. So here I get answer that is 21 upon 4. So here I get 5 4 ja 20, 5 2 ja 10 and 5.25 meter, that is meter square. Where is 5.25 meter square? It means Q is connected to 1. So I write here Q is connected to 1. If I talk about R, that is, here we have a square and we have to find the area of a square. So area of a square, that is we have no side square and side, that is we have given here, that is 6 meter. So 6 square, that is 36 meter square. This is the area. So I can say that R is connected to 2. So here R is connected to 2. Again, if I talk about S, we have to find the perimeter. For perimeter, we know 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 2 10 and 10.5. So where is 10.5 centimeter? It means S is connected to third. So here S is connected to third. So 4 1 2 3. Where is 4 1 2 3? Check 4 1 2 3. So I can say that here option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is match column 1 and column 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. So here we have given again column 1 and here we have given again column 2. So first if I simplify column 1, that is P, we have given a circle and total number of parts circle, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2 are the shaded parts. So I write here 2 upon 4. If I talk about Q, that is we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 total part and 3 part are the shaded. If I talk about R, that is we have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 8 total number of part, that is 8 and the shaded part, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I write here 5 upon 8. If I talk about S, that is we have 1, 2, 3, 4 part and shaded part, that is 3. So I write here 3 upon 4. If I solve that column number second, that first is that is 2 upon 9 plus 1 upon 9. It means the 3 upon 9. So where is 3 upon 9? It means Q is connected to first. So Q is connected to first. So I write here P, Q, R, S and Q is connected to first. If I solve here, that is 1 minus 3 by 8. It means 8 minus 3 upon 8, that is 5 upon 8. Where is 5 upon 8? So here 5 upon 8, that is R. It means R is connected to 2. So here I can say that R is connected to 2. If I solve this one, so here I get answer, that is 5 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4, that is 5 minus 3 upon 4. If I solve here 5 minus 3, that is 2, 2 upon 4. So where is 2 upon 4? P. It means P is connected to third. So P is connected to third. And last one, 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 4 minus 1 upon 4. It means 3 upon 4. So where is 3 upon 4? S is connected to 4. So here S is connected to 4. So 3, 1, 2, 4. So here we have 3, 1, 2, 4. It means option number A is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about next question, that is match column 1 and column 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. So here we have given column 1 and here we have given column 2. First we solve column 1, that is P. We have given like 4 times of a number x, that is 4 times of a number x, that is 4x and increased by 3. It means we add 3 and the result, that is we get 19. So check where is this equation. So 4x plus 3 is equal to 9. It means P is connected to 2. So I write here P is connected to 2. If I talk about Q, that is think a number, let the number be x and divided it by 5, okay, and added 11 and the result, that is we get 23. So check where is this. It means yes, it means Q is connected to third. So I write here Q is connected to third. If I talk about R, that is 15 multiplied by x. So 15 multiplied by x and is equal to 20. So I write here 15x 20. It means R is connected to 4. So here R is connected to 4. If I talk about S, that is a number is multiplied by 3. A number, let assume x, and this is multiplied by 3. Then subtracted by 4. If I subtract here 4 and the result, that is we get, that is 16. So I write here 16. That is 3x minus 4 is equal to 16. So 3x minus 4 is equal to 16. It means S is connected to 1. So here we have answer, that is 2, 3, 4, 1. So where is 2, 3, 4, 1? 2, 3, 4, 1. So I can say that option number D is the correct answer over here. If I talk about next question, which is based on paragraph, and here we have given a paragraph. So paragraph is Meenakshi went to market to buy some vegetables. She observed that the shopkeeper has mushroom and ginger. The cost of mushroom is rupees 40 per packet, while the cost of ginger is rupees 75 per packet. On that day, shopkeeper finds that the number of packet of mushroom sold is X and that of ginger sold is Y. So here we have a question, that is the algebraic expressions representing the income of the day. So here we have to find the income of the day. Okay, so I can write here income of the day, that is the price, cost price of the cost of mushroom, that is rupees 40 per packet. So here I write 40 per packet and he sold, that is X. So I write here 40x plus the cost of ginger, that is 75 rupees per packet, and number of packet that the shopkeeper sold, that is y. So I multiply here y. So the cost, the income of the day, that is 40x plus 75y. So where is 40x plus 75y? So here. So I can say that option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, which is again based on same paragraph, and here we have a question that is, if x is equal to 15 and y is equal to 25, then the total income of that day. So here we have given x is equal to 15 and the value of y is equal to 25. So we know total income, that is 40x plus 75y. So now if I put the value of x is equal to 15 and the value of y is equal to 25, then I can write here 40 multiplied by 15 plus 75 multiplied by 25. So here if I multiply, so here I get 0, 15 2 ja 30 and 15 4 ja 60. So here I get 600 plus 5 5 ja 25, carry 2, 5 2 ja 10 and 7 5 ja 35. 35 plus 10, 45, 45 or 2, 47. So here we get 7 and we get carry 4. 7 2 ja 14 and 14 or 4, 18. So if I add here, so I get 2475 rupees. That is the cost of, that is the total income of the day. So 2475, 2475. So here option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is based again on paragraph, and the paragraph is that on a particular day from home, Johnny went to office after dropping his daughter at school. Okay. Then on the way to office, she went hospital to pick some reports of her mother. Distance between various places is shown in the given figure. So here we have given a figure, and the question is that distance covered by Johnny from home to hospital via school. Home to hospital via school. So where is home? Here. Where is hospital? Here. And we have to cover distance via school. Where is school? Here. So we know we have to cover this distance. So we can say the distance, that is, first see cover home to school, that is 1 and 2 by 5, plus then school to hospital, that is 5 by 8. So simply we have to simplify here. So I can say that this is the 7 upon 5 and here we get 5 upon 8. If we take LCM, then we get here 40 and 8 7 ja 56 and 5 5 ja 25. So if I add here, so I get 6 or 5 11, carry 1, 5 or 2 7, 7 or 1 8, 81 upon 40 kilometer. And if I simplify, then I can write it 2 and 1 by 40 kilometer. So check which option is correct, 2 and 1 by 40 kilometer. So here 2 and 1 by 40 kilometer, it means option number D is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about next question, which is again based on same paragraph, and the question is that the total distance covered by Johnny to reach to the office from home via hospital. So where is office? Here, and he wants to reach home, and he wants to reach home via hospital. So it means the Johnny covered distance from here to here, and then here, and then here. So I can say total distance again, that is office to hospital, that is 1 and 1 by 10, plus hospital to school, that is 5 by 8, plus school to home, that is 1 and 2 by 5. So here we have to simplify this one. So I can say 10 1 ja 10 and 10 or 1 11 upon 10 plus 5 upon 8, and here we get 7 upon 5. So if I take LCM, then we get here 40, and here we get 44 plus 25, and here we get 56. So if I add all these numbers, so here I get 5, 6 plus 5, 9, sorry 11, and 11 or 4, 15, carry 1. So 4 1 5, 5 or 5 10, 10 or 2 12. So 125 upon 40. So here we have 1 25 upon 40. If I simplify here, so 8 5 ja 40 and 5 2 ja 10 and 25. So here we get 25 upon 8 kilometer. It means 3 and 1 by 8 kilometer. That is the distance which is journey covered from office to home via hospital and school. So 3 and 1 by 8. So where is 3 and 1 by 8? Here. So option number A is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about next question, that is after teaching the topic quadrilateral of the chapter basic geometrical ideas, maths teacher provide worksheet with 5 questions to all the students. One of the students, JEE, got the worksheet but unable to solve questions given in the worksheet. Help JEE in answer these questions. So here we have a question: which of the following is can't be the side of the quadrilateral ABCD? So let's assume we have a quadrilateral ABCD. So here let A, B, C and D. So which of the following is can't be the side? So here we can say that AB is a side, BC is a side, CD is a side and BD. So BD is not a side, AD is also side. So I can say this one is the diagonal. So here BD, that is not a side. So I can say option number C is the correct answer. So if I talk about next question, which is based again on same paragraph, and the question is that which of the following is a pair of opposite angle of a quadrilateral ABCD? So let's assume we make again a quadrilateral ABCD. Here we have angle A, B, here C and here we have D. So now we have to find which of the following is a pair of opposite angles of the quadrilateral ABCD. So here angle A and angle D are the not opposite angles, this is the adjacent angles. If I talk about A and C, so here A and C are the opposite angles of a quadrilateral ABCD. So here I can say that option number B is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about next question, that is multiple correct answers. So here we have multiple correct answers. Okay, the question is that the perimeter of a triangle is 5 minus 3x plus 7x square and 2 of its sides are 2x square plus 3x minus 2 and 3x square minus x plus 8. Now we have to find the third side of the triangle. So we know perimeter of triangle, that is sum of all three sides, that is x plus y plus z. So here we have given perimeter, that is 7x square minus 3x plus 5, and we have given one side, that is 2x square plus 3x minus 2, and another side, that is 3x square minus x plus 8, and we have to find the other side, that is we have, let's assume that is the capital Z. So simplify, we have to simplify this one and we have to transfer here. So I can write here 7x square minus 3x plus 5. If I transfer 2x square here, so I get minus 2x square minus 3x and minus here, if I transfer here, so I get plus 2. Minus 3x square, if I transfer here again, then I get minus 3x square, and here plus x, and if I transfer here, so I get minus 8 is equal to z. So if I simplify here, so I get minus plus 7x square minus 2x square, that is 5x square, and 5x square minus 3x square, that here we get 2x square. Now minus 3x minus 3x minus 6x plus x, that is minus 5x. So here we have plus ka 5 and here we have plus 2. So 5 plus 2 7, 7 minus 8, that is we have given minus 8. It means the length, the third side, that is we have 2x square minus 5x minus 1. So 2x square minus 1 minus 5x. It means option number A is correct. So here we have multiple answers, multiple correct answers. So if I talk about B, so here x square plus x square, we get 2x square, and 3x square minus 2x square, that is again minus 5x and minus 1. So if I talk about here, so I can split it, that is x square plus x square minus 3x minus 2x and minus 1. It means option number B is also correct. If I talk about C, here we have 3x square minus 3x, minus 2x and minus 1. So simply here we get again 2x square minus 5x minus 1. It means C is also correct. So here option number A, B and C, these three options are the correct answer of the for this question. So now if I talk about next question, which is again multiple correct answers question, and the question is that Manju runs around a rectangular park of length 35 meter and breadth that is 2000 centimeter. So here we have given length that is in meter and here we have given breadth that is in centimeter. Minu runs around a square park of side 80 meter. Who cover less distance? So here we have to find who cover less distance and by how much. If Minu takes 4 round and Manju takes 8 round completely. So first we have to find the perimeter of rectangular park and the perimeter of square. So simple. First if I talk about Manju, so perimeter of Manju's rectangular park, that is we know 2 bracket length plus breadth. So here if I multiply here, so length we have given 35 meter plus breadth we have given 2000 centimeters. First we have to convert 2000 centimeter into meter. So I know 2000 centimeter is equal to 20 meter. So I write here 20. If I add this one, so I get 2 multiplied by 55. It means we get answer that is 110 meter. And Manju takes round that is 8. So total distance covered by Manju, that is 8 multiplied by 110, that is 880 meter. Now if I talk about Minu runs around a square park of side 80 meter. So I know perimeter of square, that is 4 multiplied by side. So here 4 multiplied by side, that is we have given again 80 meter. So I write here 80 meter. So 8 4 is 32 and 0. So here Minu take 1 round of a square, that is the 320 meter. So Minu takes 4 round. So I can write here total distance covered by Minu, that is he takes 4 rounds. So I multiply here. So 4 multiplied by 320, it means 0 8 12 meter. So the question is that who cover less distance? It means the Minu cover distance that is 1280 and Manju cover distance that is 880. It means Manju cover less distance. So I write here Manju cover less distance, and the question again how much, by how much. So if I subtract here, so I get answer that is 400 meter. If I convert meter into centimeter, so I can say that Manju cover distance that is 40,000 centimeter. So Manju cover less distance 400 meter, या फिर we can say that 40,000 centimeter. So here option 1 B and C both are the correct answer of this question. So now if I talk about next question, that is which of the following pair of fractions are equivalent. So here we have to find the equivalent fractions pair. Okay, now here we have given 4 options and this question is the multiple correct answers question. So if I talk about A, that is we have given 3 by 4 and this is the simplest form. If I talk about 15 upon 20, so we know 5 4 is 20 and 5 3 is 15, that is 3 by 4. So these 2 fractions are the equivalent fractions. So here option number A is correct. So now if I talk about B, that is we have given 14 upon 21. So 7 2 is 14 and 7 3 is 20. It means the simplest form of this fraction is 20 upon 3 and 2 upon 3, and this one is, we can say that this is the equivalent fraction. If I talk about C option, that is 8 upon 10, it means 4 to 8, 4 5 10, it means the 4 upon 5. And here we have given again 12 upon 15. So here 4 3 12, and here 5 3 15. Sorry, 4 3 12 and 5 3 15. That is again 4 upon 5. So I can say this one and this one is also an equivalent fraction. So here option number C is also correct, and D is not possible. So here A, B and C, these three options are the correct answer of this question. If I talk about next question, that is what is the sum of the predecessors and successor of the number x. So we know the number is x, and the predecessor of that number, that is x minus 1, and the successor of that number, that is x plus 1, and we have to find the sum. So I can write here x minus 1 plus x plus 1. So x minus 1 plus x plus 1, where is? So here x plus 1, bracket x plus 1. So here option 1 B is correct. So first if I solve here, so I get x minus 1 plus x plus 1. So plus minus 1 cancel out. So here we get 2x. So again 2x. So here option 1 C is also correct. So if I talk about first option, so this one, if I solve this one, so here I get x plus 1 minus x plus 1. So here we get 2. So this one is not possible. If I solve this one, so here I get minus 1 plus x minus minus plus x and plus 1. It means this is also cut out, and here we get 2x. It means option number D is also correct. It means option number B, C and D, all three are the correct answer of this question. If I talk about next question, that is find the value of x in the given equation. So here if I divide here, so I get 5, plus if I divide here, so I get again 5, if I divide here, so I get again 5, is equal to 60 divided by x. So we know 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15. So I write here 15 is equal to 60 divided by x. So simply I can say that x is equal to 60 upon 15. So if I cut here, so I get 5 3 15 and 5 1 5, 5 2 20. That is the 12 upon 3. 12 upon 3, that is the 4. So here we have multiple answers, that is 15 upon 12, this is not possible. 4 upon 1, that is 4. So here this one is the correct. 60 upon 15, yes, this is also. So this one is also correct. 28 upon 21, so not possible. So here I can say that for this question we have two options, B and C, both are the correct answer of this question. So now if I talk about next question, that is the product of HCF and LCM each 500 of the two number, and one number each 5, then find the other number. So we know the product, that is we have given 500 and one number is 5, it means we have to find the other number. So here I can say that other number, that is 500 divided by 5, it means we have 100. So again we have multiple correct question. So check 505, this is also true, and 100 is also. So for this question A and B both are the correct answer. So if you have any query, comment below and like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper of class 6 reasoning conducted on 10 November 2024. Hope you performed very well. So let's get started. So now here question number 51. Find the missing term in the series. So series is 2, 3, 10, 15, 26, 35 and next is missing. So find the missing number of the number series. So first find the pattern. So what is the pattern of the series? So pattern of the series is 1 square plus 1, it means 2. Now 2 square minus 1, 2 square it means 4 minus 1, it means 3. 3 square plus 1, so 3 square it means 9 plus 1, it means 10. Now similar 4 square minus 1, 4 square it means 16 minus 1, it means 15. So now 5 square plus 1, 5 square it means 25 plus 1, it means 26. Similar 6 square minus 1, 6 square it means 36 minus 1, it means 35. Similar 7 square plus 1, 7 square it means 49 plus 1, so it means 50. So 50 is the next number of the given number series. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 52. Find the missing term in the series. So series is F3X H7U J15R L31O, and find the next term. So first, taking first alphabet of each term. So first alphabet of first term is F, first alphabet of second term is H, first alphabet of third term is J, after J next is L, and after L next is missing. So find the pattern of the series. So F, place value of F is 6, place value of H in English alphabet is 8, place value of J is 10, place value of L is 12. So pattern is 6 plus 2, it means 8, 8 plus 2, it means 10, 10 plus 2, it means 12. Now similar, 12 plus 2, it means 14, 14, it means N, because place value of N in English alphabet is 14. So here first alphabet of the missing term is N. Now taking second alphabet of each term. So second alphabet of first term is X, second alphabet of second term is U, second alphabet of third term is R, after R next is O, after O next is missing. So find the pattern of the series. So place value of X is 24, place value of U is 21, place value of R is 18, place value of O, it means 15. So pattern is 14 minus 3, it means 21, 21 minus 3, it means 18, 18 minus 3, it means 15. Now similar, 15 minus 3, it means 12. So 12, it means L, because place value of L is 12 in English alphabet. So second alphabet of the missing term is L. Now taking number series. So number series is 3, 7, 15, after 15 next is 31, and after 31 next is missing. So find the pattern of the number series. So pattern of the series is 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1, it means 3 multiplied by 2, it means 6 plus 1, it means 7. Now 7 multiplied by 2 plus 1, 7 multiplied by 2, it means 14, 14 plus 1, it means 15. Now 15 multiplied by 2 plus 1, 15 multiplied by 2, it means 30, 30 plus 1, it means 31. Now similar, 31 multiplied by 2 plus 1, 31 multiplied by 2, it means 62 plus 1, it means 63. So next number, it means missing number is 63. So here missing term is N63L. N63L, it means option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 53. Find the missing term in the series. So which sequence of letter when placed at blank one after the other will complete the given letter series? In such question, put the option in the question one by one and then check which one will follow correctly. So first taking option A. So now according to option A, first blank it means X, second blank it means Y, third blank it means X, fourth blank it means Y, fifth blank it means again Y, and sixth blank it means again Y. So pattern is X, 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 Y, Y, X, 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 Y, Y, X, 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 Y, Y, Y. Now X, X and Y, Y, Y. Yes, a defined pattern found from option A. Pattern is 4 times X, now 2 times Y, now 3 times X and 3 times Y, now 4 times X, 3 times X, now 2 times X, 2 times Y, 3 times Y, now 4 times Y. So pattern is X, 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 Y, Y, X, 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 Y, 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 X, X, Y, 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 and Y. So yes, defined pattern found from option A. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 54. Raj walked 20 kilometers towards south. Then he turns to his left and walked 25 meters. Then he turned to his left and walked 20 meters. He again turned to his right and walked 10 meter. At what distance is he from the starting point and in which direction? Before starting this question, we should know that there are 4 types of main direction. This is north, this is east, this is south, this is west, and there are 4 types of cardinal direction. This is northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest, and this is northwest. Now according to question, Raj walked 20 meter towards south, 20 meter towards south. So let's suppose A is the starting point of Raj. Now Raj walked 20 kilometer towards south. Now Raj walked 20 meter towards south. Then he turns his left. Now he turned his left. So now he turned his left and walked 25 meter and walked 25 meter. Then he turned to his left. Then he turns to his left and walked 20 meter and walked 20 meter. After this, he again turned to his right. Again he turned to his right and walked 10 meter and walked 10 meter. At what distance? So find the distance between starting point and end point. Let's suppose B is the end point, final point of Raj. So find the distance between A and B. Find the distance between starting point and end point. So find the distance between A and B. So distance between A and B is 25 plus 10. 25 plus 10. It means 35 meter. Now, in which direction? Find the direction of the final point with respect to starting point. So the final point will be just east of the starting point, because this is the east of starting point. So the final point will be just east of the starting point. So 35 meter east is the correct answer of this question. So here 35 meter east, it means option A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 55. Find the correct mirror image of the given figure when mirror MN is placed on the right side of the figure. So find the mirror image of given figure. So in mirror image question, the part of an object which is near to the mirror, so it will remains near to the mirror in the mirror image, and the part of an object is away from the mirror, so it will remains away from the mirror in the mirror image. So mirror image of this figure looks something like this, and this part is near to the mirror, so it will remains near to the mirror. And mirror image of this part will look something like this. This is the correct mirror image of given figure. So here B is the correct mirror image of given figure. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 56. Find the correct water image of the given figure. So find the water image of given figure. So the water is always taken below the object. So now here is water. Now find the water image, the part of an object which is near to the water, so it will remains near to the water in the water image. So water image of this part will look something like this. This part is near to the water, so it will remains near to the water. So water image of this part will look something like this. Now water image of this part will looks something like this. So this is the correct water image of given figure. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 57. In a class, the rank of Sohan is 16 from the top and 49 from the bottom. Find total number of students in the class. So rank of Sohan from the top is 16th. Rank of Rohan from the top is 16. and rank of Sohan from the bottom is 49. Now find the total number of students in this class. So find the total number of students. So formula is top position plus bottom position of the same person minus 1. So top position of Sohan is Sohan is 16 plus bottom position of Sohan is 49 minus 1. So 16 plus 49, it means 65. 65 minus 1, it means 64. So there are 64 students in this class. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 58. Which one of the four interchanges in sign and number would make the given equation correct? So in such question, put the option in the equation and then check which one will follow correctly. So now according to option A, so interchange plus and minus. So plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. So here is plus, it means here is minus. Now minus, it means plus. And 2 becomes 3 and 3 becomes 2. So 3 becomes 2 and 2 becomes 3. So equation is 2 minus 5 multiply 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. So using BODMAS rule in this equation, so first multiply the numbers. So 2 minus 5 multiply 1, it means 5 plus 3 is equals to 4. So plus 2 plus 3, it means plus 5. 5 minus 5 is equals to 4. 5 minus 5, it means 0. 0 never equals to 4. So it means option A is the incorrect option. Now taking option B. So according to option B, plus becomes minus and minus become plus and 2 becomes 5 and 5 becomes 2. So equation is 3. Plus means minus, 5 means 2, multiply 1, minus means plus, 2 means 5 is equals to 4. So 2 multiply by 1, it means 2. So 3 minus 2 plus 5 is equals to 4. 3 plus 3 plus 5, it means 8. 8 minus 2 is equals to 4. 8 minus 2, it means 6, never equals to 4. It means option B also a incorrect option. Now taking option C. So according to option C, plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus and 3 becomes 5 and 5 becomes 3. So equation is 3. It means 5 plus, it means minus, 5 it means 3, multiply 1, minus it means plus, 2 means 2 is equals to 4. So 5 minus 3 multiply by 1, it means 3 plus 2 is equals to 4. So 5 plus 5 plus 2, it means 7 minus 3 is equals to 4. 7 minus 3, it means 4. 4 always equals to 4. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 59. Find out from amongst the four alternatives as to how the pattern would appear when the transparent sheet is folded at the dotted line of figure X. When the transparent sheet is folded along to the dotted line, then the image of sheet will look something like this. This image, this sheet will look something like this after fold. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 60. Choose a figure which would most closely resemble the unfolded from a figure Z. So unfold the figure. So unfold the figure in the same sequence when it was folded and find the mirror image in each case. So first unfold the Z, then we got Y. Now unfold the Y, then we got X, and find the image of X, because X represents unfolded paper. So first unfold the Z. So Z will be unfolded in this direction, because Y has been folded in this direction. So it means Z will be unfolded in this direction. So when unfold the Z, then we get a image like this, and this is Y. Now unfold the Y in this direction, because X has been folded in this direction. So it means Y will be unfolded in this direction. So unfold the Y in this direction. When unfold the Y, then we get a image like this. Image of this part looks something like this. So this is figure X. So this is the correct unfolded paper after cutting. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. So we have finished the solution. I hope you understood it well. If you have any query and doubt regarding the paper solution, so please log in the website and click ask the doubt option and write your doubt there. Any new information related to Matrix Olympiad will be updated on this YouTube channel. So subscribe the channel for more updates, and you can also have new updates on our WhatsApp channel. To join, click on the links provided in the description box. Thank you so much for being here. Have a great time.